going to talk about 39 combination sum. The question is, given an array of distinct integers, candidates, and a target integer target, return a list of all unique combinations of candidates where the chosen numbers sum to target. You may return the combinations in any order. The same number may be chosen from the candidates unlimited numbers of time. Okay, so for the candidates, I can choose so many times. Two combinations are unique if frequently at least one of the chosen number is different. Two combinations are unique if the frequency at least one of the chosen number is different. The test case are generated such that numbers unique case that sum up to the target is less than the 150 combination for the given input. Okay. Okay, for this one, we can use something to do this, right? Candidates, we have 2, 3, 6, 7. So target is 7. So this is the result. So we need to return, store the result. So current here is 2, 3, 6, 7, and for here is 7. Now, if I pick up the first one, right? I can have this. And current 7 is should be minus 2. So this is result. And 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, we can use like the backtracking to solve these problems. You go here and see something, we go back. Right, so if 2, 2 for here is how much? 3. And then we keep going here. 2, 2, 1. And then we keep going. 2, 2, 2, not 2 now, so we cannot do that. So just return back. So same for here, right? We can now pick up 3 or 6, 7. Okay, so we should have you can see store here. If this results happen as here, we can store in the results. And the 7s might be happen here, so they are in the different level. So for the global result, it should be the result should be global. List integer result, right? It should be like this, and we also need sub-result. Sub from 0. Candidates. Target. And the sub result. and return the result. For this one, we don't need to do that. The result, yeah. Private backtracking void. Candidates target teacher subresult. Right. So when we stop, one solution is if I smaller than 0, it should be start from the last one. Okay, so we can actually sort it first, right? Erase sort. To avoid to use too many things. This is what take the TCO1 login. And we can start from the last one. Yeah, start from the right. If I smaller than this, and at the same time if target equal to is not equal to 0, we return and for current if target equal to 0, right? So we can put the result in the result add new list sub result. Yep, this is some base case. Now and also if the target equal to 0, result add, and also we need to return add new list sub result and return. This is a base case. Okay, so for current now, what we need to do to check, right? Put in here, so we pick up the last one here to see whether we need it. Current candidate is dates. If current candidate is larger than the current 7 is large than the 7, it not work. Larger than the target. We will go to in the next level. I-1 candidates target sub result. Right. And for here it means the query is okay, so we can take it. So sub result, add the cur. Backtracking for the I-1, but no, keep going. Candidates target should minus the cur sub result, and then we're going to return back on this remove the cur sub result size last one. And then return. We can check. It's backtracking. Backtracking I candidates target separate out. Okay. Let's go to the next level. Where is Stack Overflow? Oops. Outpost 7. Yep. Okay. And for the time complexity is pick or not pick to Thompson. C is O1. How many branch? The worst will be this, but it will much smaller than this one, right? Yeah. Login. For here. Yep, and this is a solution about this problem. Okay, let's we see for something. For this is backtracking, right? So it can write the tree is like the left means like pick. This one is not pick. This is means pick. And we have some base case if the target is smaller than 0, which means not available. So directly return. Another base case is I is smaller than 0, which means we start from the last one and the candidate is nothing. And for current here, we have the two different situations. The one is if the current here target is equal to 0, which means current is still has the valuable sub readout, so we can add it in the readout. If not, which means direct return, we don't need to store the subredout. Yeah, this is the here, and for here situation is during the process, right? We didn't go to the button, we still find the valuable result, so we can directly return. So for here is this one is means the not choose. This one is means the choose. And for here we go to the next level, take the subredout. When we return back, we should keep the original one. That's why we need to remove the subredout and go into the right side. Yeah, this is the high level idea about this problem. Yeah, thank you.